walking out here, and Cassidy's finally found out what you do with this ball. You chew it, and you bite it, and you fetch it. So if I take it from her, it's right here. I have it. Cassidy, come! Cassidy, come! Cassidy, come! Cassidy! Cassidy! Cassidy, come! Cassidy, come! Come on, girl. Come on, Cassidy. Wrong way. This way. Cassidy. Good. Come, Cassidy. Come, Cassidy. Cassidy, come. There we go. I have to say it backwards. Okay, now, Cassidy. Cassidy. So, get your foot. Okay, now, go. Back. Oh, good girl, you brought it back to us. But you didn't drop it. You're so cute. Nah. Subscribe for more puppy videos. Bye.